So friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to review the best hosting provider MilesWeb. First of all, uh, First of all, I am not wasting your time by saying or explaining what is hosting, what is web hosting, because I know if you do not know about hosting, you probably click this video mistakenly. First of all, I will introduce MilesWeb and explaining something about something little more about MilesWeb. MilesWeb is the one of the best hosting company in India. Although it is an Indian hosting provider, it has servers deployed in UK, USA, India, Singapore, Australia. MilesWeb offer wide variety of web hosting service, including share hosting, managed web hosting, cloud hosting, reseller hosting, BPS, and dedicated web hosting, dedicated servers. If you are looking for an affordable web hosting in India, then MilesWeb is the one of the best choice for you. Even not in India, in any South Asian country, it is best for you, and it is also best for worldwide. MilesWeb hosting features, main hosting features are many, but I am explaining some of them. And first of all, I am explaining the best hosting features, which is SSD storage. MilesWeb host all website on super fast SSD servers. It means your website will load faster than the site hosted on spinning as hard disk drive. Latest and they provide latest web technology. Latest web technologies. MilesWeb offers suitable hosting environment for your site, which will get latest version of APSP and MySQL to improve the website hosted on MilesWeb. You can see the price of a MilesWeb are very low. Even it is provide 80% discount to some of the packages, and also one free domain included, which cost about $32 per year after buying it. After that, it also have built-in caching system. Caching helps deliver faster web experience and save bandwidth. MilesWeb built-in caching mechanism enables improved site performance with APC, XCache, and OPCache. Global data center locations. The server location closer to the target audience ensure minimum latency and improved response time. MilesWeb know it's well, and hence it has applied servers at 6 global locations, including UK, USA, Canada, Mumbai, Singapore, and Australia. Pick the server location next to your target audience and let them access your website as quickly as possible. And it also, here you can see, it also provide free SSL certificate, enables secure data transfer between server and users. Browse plus HTTPS is considered as ranking signal and give a little SEO boost to your site. Nowadays, people prefer buying from HTTPS enabled website instead of non-secure website, not secure website. Also, MilesWeb offer free Let's Encrypt SSL certificates to protect your website, business websites, or e-commerce websites. Websites store may consider buying premium SSL certificate from third parties company from an additional layer of security. Also, MilesWeb provide a free cPanel control panel, which also we also say it's cPanels. MilesWeb offer industry leading control panel cPanel to manage your domains, subdomains, email account, security, and some advanced features. It also include one click script auto installer and free website builder, so that you can bring your business online in no times. It also provide backup to your website. If you want to see the more features about its hosting, you can click view all features. I'll also provide the registration link and description from where you can register in MilesWeb, or you can go on browser and type www.milesweb.com to access this website. First, it provides website backup and restore. Losing website data can be a nightmare for webmaster. You must be prepared for worst. MilesWeb Daily backup feature will let you create a copy of your entire website and register it when it required. Remember, MilesWeb charges additional fee for websites backup because its web hosting price is quite low compared to other hosting companies in the market. If you register within 1 day or 2 day, you will also get the 80% discount in web hosting. So hurry up. It also provides free website migration. If you want to move accessing website to MilesWeb, then you can contact the MilesWeb support team for free website transfer. MilesWeb team will provide migrate to your website without any additional charges. On migration process, your site will start serving user of MilesWeb lightning fast servers. It also provides free domain name. Many beginners do not want to spend a huge amount on domain hosting services because this service MilesWeb provide .com domain name for free on air with its Swift and Turbo hosting. You can see here it is also providing Swift. It is also providing with Tyro also. Here you can see if you buy one of them, then you will also get a free domain.com domain. Some of the and it is also the it is also the fastest web hosting servers I have ever found. I also tested some websites which are hosted on MilesWeb, and I saw the screenshot of those websites tested in Google Lights, Google Page Speed Instant Test. It's scored 99 in Google speed, which is more than enough for any website users or any server. It also have excellent customer support. If everyone's who want to contact with support team, they can contact easily from by getting tickets or by from this where you can chat with where you can chat in real time with the users with the employee of MilesWeb. When we search for the review of a MilesWeb, we found positive review everywhere and very less negative review, because MilesWeb provide a very good service to all users. But less that's negative review because they also provide a money back guarantee for a new user whose hosting is less than 30 days. So if you do not like their hosting, you can also get refund. Some of the MilesWeb pricings here you can see is provide in 0.60 60 per month. Entire you can host one website, one free domain included. You will get three you will get a .com domain or any domain for free if you buy any hosting any three hosting from here. 1 GB SSD disk storage, unlimited bandwidth, control panel, free SSL certificate, 10 email account, and 3 MySQL database. And if you buy Swift $2 per month package, then you can host one website, one free domain included, unlimited SSD disk storage, unlimited bandwidth, control panel, free SSL certificate, unlimited email account, unlimited MySQL database, ZSEs, SSHs, etc. You can also host unlimited website in turbo mode. You can host as many website as you want. One free domain is also included, and same as others. There is 6 lakhs in nodes. You can see the some of the features by which MilesWeb provides, for users. If you like our video, please click on like button below. If you want to give suggestion, please drop a comment about it. And if you want to support me, click on subscribe button. And do not forget to check out MilesWeb for hosting purposes. Only this much for today. Thank you.